So we have ordered ourselves here a nice Razer Naga Hex Ergonomic MOBA gaming mouse. Sounds fancy. Looks quite nice, but how does it do for actual like specs and stuff like that? Does it actually like sit in the hand properly and stuff? Well, we're about to find out. Alright, so we finally got the mouse in our hands, and it definitely has that glossy finish on top of it. It's like some material got covered with lacquer, and yeah, the way it folds, it like reflects to like different angles. It's kind of cool. How does it feel in the hand? It does feel like an accurate mouse though, which is what I like. It has definitely some shapes to it, like there's definitely a shape, just so like those three fingers on the side here are like close to the mat, and then you're like kind of like ready for that shot. Like yeah, aim is kind of like more steady. It does definitely feel good, like clicking it. First three buttons with no problem on the like side thingy, and the back buttons, it takes a bit of an effort to like actually reach your thumb all the way back to the 5th number. Oh nice, the wheel is kind of nice still. This one you can feel like the click. This one is really smooth. That's smooth. That's smooth. Yeah, definitely excited about using this mouse. Let's actually put it into works. You can see the LED, which is kind of funny. You can actually see the LED, so that might be a bit annoying. Actually, if you're laying back, it should be no problem, but yeah, still. How does it actually feel? My goodness, I think it might be the mat that disconnecting. I felt like it just stopped moving for a second there. Alright, let's go to some software where we can click. So yeah, we're gonna give this mouse a test and see how it goes. So yeah, after the first touch already, I can tell you straight away this mouse is definitely on its point. If you're aiming and you're about to fire, there's no way your mouse is gonna move when you're firing. So yeah, if I have the mouse on the screen and then you just see me move it and it didn't go anywhere, sorry, but I ain't buying. People, I don't know what it is, but something's wrong here. It is the fact that this mouse just likes to stop every 5 seconds for a few seconds. Now look here. It goes, and bang! And then come back. Essentially, if I'm playing a video game and this is gonna be doing this to me, I am gonna be pissed. Went for a nice test, found out what can be done with this. Essentially, I downloaded the software, installed it, plugged the mouse to the back of the computer, and then I restarted the computer, and then that's when it worked. The only bad thing about this mouse I can see already is those two buttons. They're really deceptive, you know, because I thought they were gonna change my sensitivity, but they're just forward and back page button. So yeah, that's a bit of a downer. Now, since I have this mouse right here, it's not letting me do that, you see. I need to like now get a perfect I need to get perfect sensitivity just so I can play on all my games, which is a little bit of a headache, but I can deal with that. Overall, the body of the mouse is really nice. I like it and I really enjoy it. Like, I haven't really played any games, but just by moving the mouse and like around the desktop and everything, I can tell that I'm gonna have a great fun with that. It's not really that important about the looks. What's mostly important is like how the cable lays and like how heavy the cable is. Sometimes the cable can be like dragging your mouse, but with this one you can feel the cable really slightly. Would I recommend this mouse? I would say if you have really a lot of mouse sensitivity settings, get a different mouse. If you just like use one sensitivity, you don't really play a lot with it, and you just want extra buttons on the side, the only thing I'm pissed about is that it doesn't have the up and down sensitivity. But then at the same time, it has two of these buttons that I can set any key to, so that does play out quite nicely. If there was no buttons there at all, then I would be seriously pissed. But because there's at least those two buttons that, you know, I can have the 6 buttons here and the 2 buttons here, which is 8 buttons, you know, that makes me satisfied. Yeah, altogether this mouse has 11 clicks, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 11. So yeah, 11 buttons. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you buy this mouse if you have a choice. If you have a choice that it's right there and you can grab it, grab it. But if you can pay a few extra quid and get a better version of it, I would say it would be nice to consider it, but this mouse is still good enough to do some solid gaming.
Incoming invisibility.
Oh,